Okay, so forget everything you think you know about cooling your computer. Seriously. There's a silent revolution happening right now, and it's about to completely change the game for AI, for everything. And it all starts with killing off the fan.
And look, I'm not exaggerating here. This is a promise. You know that whirring sound of a fan, the sound we've associated with computers for decades? Yeah, that's about to be a museum piece. And what's taking its place? It's not just about being quiet. It's about unlocking a level of power we've literally never seen before. For years, right, the deal was simple. If you wanted more power, you had to put up with more noise. But what if that rule was just wrong? What if we could have it all? How do we get a future that's both totally silent and way more powerful? Well, the answer is in thinking about cooling in a completely different way.
That's right. The age of clunky, mechanical, moving parts is pretty much done. We are entering the solid-state revolution. So let's dive in and break down what that actually means.
Okay, so it really just boils down to this. You've got the old way, mechanical fans. They're bulky, they're loud, they get clogged with dust. Let's be honest, they've basically hit a wall. And then you have the future. Something thin, totally silent, and just on a completely different planet when it comes to performance.
So the magic behind all this is some pretty wild tech called ultrasonic MEMS membranes. Now, MEMS, that just stands for micro electromechanical systems, but forget the jargon. Just picture this: tiny, microscopic drum heads. And they're vibrating so incredibly fast at an ultrasonic frequency that we can't even hear them. It's completely silent to us. And the way it works is it's so elegant. It's a simple two-step dance. First, the membranes vibrate in a way that inhales, pulling in cool air from outside. Then they pulse the other way, creating this super powerful high-speed jet of air, an exhale, that just blasts heat right off the processor. There are no spinning blades, nothing, just a powerful, silent jet of air.
Okay, so the tech is brilliant. We get it. But what does that mean for you? For the devices we're going to use? Well, the real-world advantages are where this gets really, really exciting. And it all starts with raw, unfiltered power. I mean, just look at the difference here. We're not talking about a tiny 5% improvement. No way. This is a massive, fundamental leap forward in how much heat you can pull away from a chip. The old fans, they're not even playing the same sport. Let's put a number on it, because it's kind of nuts. We're talking about 50%. 50% more heat dissipation than a top-of-the-line fan. That is a gigantic boost in performance. It just unlocks a whole new tier of processing power that was impossible before. And then there's the other half of the magic trick. Remember those ultrasonic vibrations I mentioned? Because they're happening at a frequency we literally can't hear, the result is zero noise, 0 decibels, complete and utter silence. And of course, it's pretty obvious, right? When you get to throw out those bulky fans and all the heat pipes that go with them, you can totally redesign the hardware. We're talking about laptops that are impossibly thin and light, but somehow they pack way more power than the chunky machines we use today. But listen, this is so much bigger than just making our laptops thin and quiet. This tech is showing up at the perfect time, the exact moment we desperately need it. Because this isn't just a cool upgrade, it is the lifeline for the entire next generation of computing, the AI PC.
You know, the number one enemy of performance has always been and will always be heat. When your processor gets too hot, it has to protect itself, so it slows down. That's thermal throttling. It's the silent killer of speed. And right now, it is the single biggest roadblock for the future of the AI PC.
So you might be thinking, okay, but why is this the only way? Can't we just, build bigger, better fans? And the answer, flat out, is no. And it's all because of what AI actually does to a chip. Here's the problem, plain and simple. By 2026, AI PCs are going to be everywhere. And they're powered by these new chips called NPUs, neural processing units. Now think about your current processor, your CPU. It works in short sprints, right? An NPU, it's running a marathon. It's always on, under a heavy, sustained load. That generates a relentless wall of heat that old-school fans just weren't built for. And the result is totally predictable. Your performance gets throttled.
So it all comes down to this: that constant, sustained heat from AI NPUs, it makes mechanical fans obsolete, period. Without that 50% extra cooling power you get from solid-state tech, all that amazing AI performance you paid for, it just evaporates into thin air. That's why this cooling chip isn't some fancy upgrade. For an AI PC, it is a non-negotiable requirement.
So when you think about the future, this changes everything. The next time you're shopping for a new device, seeing a fan inside won't be a feature. It'll be a warning sign. It'll mean that device is already behind the curve. The real future of performance is silent, it's way more powerful, and it's cooled by chips.